Hi, I'm Yadujay Anand. I'm currently doing my second year BTech in Mechanical Engineering in TKM College of Engineering, Kollam, Kerala. I'm glad Skill Desire has selected my designs for the real-time innovation drive. I'll be presenting one of the design, which is the laptop table without legs, which I designed for the real-time innovation drive. So let's begin. As you can see here, this is the laptop table without legs, which I designed for the innovation drive. I designed this in a 3D modeling software called Fusion 360. Neck pain, muscle discomfort, and constant heating of laptop due to overload are the worstest nightmare experienced by people. Keeping in mind these factors, as well as the ergonomic and minimalistic factors, I have designed this laptop table cum chair, which can be used by people of any age and size. Talking about the manufacturing process, it involves the basic manufacturing process known as carpentry. The manufacturing material I used here is pine wood. Pine wood is also used for packaging because it has light weight and it is strong as well as smooth. I prefer wood for this design because circular economy is one of the major concerns of this era. Every designer should design a product keeping in mind the circular economy. Now let's move on to its advantages. As I already stated, it is lightweight, it is comfortable, it has high stability, and it is strong as well as very environment friendly. Now let's see its applications. It can be used in home, office, as well as work site. It has high portability. You can carry it anywhere you want. As you all are aware of, carpentry involves cutting, shaping, and fastening wood and other materials together to produce the finished product. As you can see here, this is the proposed improvement for this design. Instead of using the wooden planks, I have used the wooden strips, which considerably reduce the weight of this product. It has one more advantage. It increases the air circulation beneath the laptop, which is very essential for laptops which are overheating during constant working. And also, it reduces the wastage of materials too. And it has one more capability. Even if you rest your elbows on this table, it can withstand. If you wish to learn and design real-time innovations, please visit Skill Desire. It is the best platform for those who wish to upskill their technical knowledge as well as improve their connections with various industries out there. Thank you.